So now let's see how we can distribute out objects inside of Google Data Studio. So in order to actually go around and distribute out objects, you can select out the objects that you want to distribute, and then you can go around into arrange, and over here you can see distribute as an option. So if I were to click on horizontally, then it takes the first and the last object as the reference point and keeps equal space in between these objects, as you can see right here. Similarly, what you can also do is you can go around onto distribute and distribute it vertically right here, and then it takes the top and the bottommost object now in this case and aligns out the space in between the objects just like that. So if I were to go around right here, and then let's say these are my objects right here, you can see that there's space right here, and the objects that is the objects on the top and bottom, they are not distributed out equally. So now what you can do is you can go around on to align vertically, and then let's say for example not align but distribute vertically, and what happens is that there are spaces in between right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and then keep it, let's say for example horizontally right here, and you can go around into arrange, and then you can go to align, not align but distribute horizontally, and everything like is spaced out horizontally, as you can see right here. And that is how you can distribute out objects inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.